Hi everybody, it's Gary from Designer Walls. Today I'm talking about Splitt, S-P-L-I-T-T. Splitt is a room division system, 2.7 meters high, etc., etc. Right, this is a split section. Yeah, and in the bottom you can see the cam. Yeah, so they go into receivers on the top and bottom set. So you can buy split in 1 meter sections. That's going to give you top unit receiver, bottom receiver, and each receiver has got adhesive tape. So when you're setting out, if it's on like tiles, for example, or floor, it'll hold it temporary while you screw it. Same with the ceiling, it'll hold it temporary while you screw it. Right, so these can be cut to length. So the max is 2.7, and you cut them to what you want. So going on to how you buy the split. So there's like kit one, which is top and the bottom receiver, all the cams inside, 8 of these. That gives you 1 meter. Now, so for example, if you've got a room division that you want to do that's only 1.5, you still have to buy a top receiver and a bottom receiver, but then you can buy 4 of these separate. So we break it down so you end up with 4 of these, top and bottom receiver. Okay, and all the receivers for the cams, the top and the bottom. 3 sets out, so you've no imagination, no thinking to do, just work with the size that are available. So once you've installed it, what happens with this? It can be like that, and then it'll click 45, click to 90, and click back round to 135, and goes back to 90. So it's basically, there's a wind, isn't a wind, there's a sun. You can change it. Great airflow going through. It's a fabulous system, guys. Thanks for looking.